From the kill floor to pharmaceutical capsules, witness the hidden logistics that turn skeletal waste into a billion-dollar global commodity.
We'll reveal the invisible supply chain, AI sorting, thermal sterilization, and precision logistics, where animal agriculture meets pharmaceutical science. Follow the journey through optical sorting, high-heat rendering, and global shipping, where every bone is tracked from hoof to destination port.
This is the unseen craft. This is the science of zero waste. This is the story of bone.
Among the different types here, we can clearly identify the femur here, and over here, the pelvis.
Here at the facility, advanced technology meticulously sorts the materials. The chutes separate everything from femur grade A and ribs to vertebra grade B and skulls. Utilizing a powerful centrifugal force, the hydrocyclone efficiently separates the denser bone material from the lighter tissues.
At this extreme magnification, The force of the hydrojet stream is evident, blasting cellular material from the bone matrix.
This laser profilometry system allows for rapid, high-detail measurement of bone length and density directly on the production line. Contaminated product, like this bone with attached tissue, is automatically identified and removed from the main processing line. A sterile swab is used to collect a sample from the grade 1 feed meal, which will then be tested for microbial contamination. From the moment a shipment leaves the dock, continuous monitoring ensures conditions remain stable, maintaining a perfect 22 degrees Celsius throughout the journey. Seal verified. The numbers match the manifest.
Doors are open. Watch your clearance on the right. Roger that. Pulling the first pallet now.
All right, easy now. Take the pallet on the left first. Make sure it's secure before you pull it out. The gelatin matrix is synthesized under sterile conditions, providing a highly absorbent scaffold ready for immediate surgical application. This specialized bone powder acts as a scaffold for regeneration, crucial in both dental implants and complex orthopedic surgeries. Analyzing the daily metrics, tons processed, tons exported, and the resulting revenue by product category. From raw material intake and advanced AI optical sorting to high-pressure cooking and sterile bagging, every step is optimized.